what do we have here? So first thing, these are the Bernie's OMG Omega Chews Salmon flavor. Yum, yum. These chews have that classic, only a doggy loves this aroma. And mine just love these. So it is a soft chew format, very soft. You can break it apart. No greasy fingers, no mystery drips, no accidental fish oil streaks. Yuck. So what makes these Omegas special is the strength. This is seriously concentrated formula built for skin and coat and overall daily support. These are like little helpers to boost absorption. So you're not just giving a chew, you're giving a chew that actually works. It actually does something. The Omega, okay? The texture, soft and chewy, soft and easy. The flavor, salmon. Reaction, my dogs love it. I shake it and they come instantly. They think it's a treat. They eat it first and they are very, very excited. I like the fact that these are very clean and there are no really bad ingredients. Straightforward, high quality chews. A 90 count jar I like. You're stocked for a while. And I have 2 pups, so definitely helps me because 90 is good. And what I did is I only give a half at the beginning because, you know, I want to see how they react, but so far so good. And this is really truly one of the easiest Omega routines you can add. No mess and no fuss. The bottom line with this one, this Bernie's Omegas, is doggies love them. They're so convenient. And the formula is really luxury and premium. So if you want a no-mess Omega option that simplifies, these are a strong yes. This video is sponsored by Bernie's.